Good everyone, today is August 23rd and our daily devotion is entitled The Gospel for the LGBTQ. Our verse for today is John 14:15. If you love me, keep my commandments. Jesus promises the Holy Spirit. That's the title of the verse. Mahal niyo ako, sundin niyo ang aking mga utos. Regardless of your gender, you have been promised by God. He promises by the Holy Spirit that He will keep loving Him. Keep on following His command. If you truly love Him, you will keep His command. For our teaching, knowing Jesus Christ leads to becoming Christ. Knowing Him and understanding Him leads you to loving Christ. Because we now know who He is. Therefore, there is a pattern to love Him because of what He did for us. 2. Loving Christ leads to obeying Christ. Means that if we love Him, we want to be a follower of Him. And to become a follower of Him, we start obeying His command. Obeying His word, obeying what He thinks is right for Him. Number 3, obeying Christ leads to imitating Christ. Obeying Him leads us to following what He done or what He did, and imitate what He done or what His attitude towards things. We start imitating His habits. For our application of Christ is entitled, "We must know Him, for we want to love Him and to be loved by Him." Love Christ with intent to obey Him. Must love Him with the intention of obeying Him by following His command. 3. Obey Christ with intent to imitate Him. Obey Him for us with the intention of doing the same thing that He did, or become Christ-like.